Hi team. Today I'm going to present about the payments. I'll present about a review about the payment systems used in India and payment system used to transfer funds from India to abroad. Payments is nothing but transfer of funds from one account to another account. Uh, yeah, in banking, how secure the payments are. We'll transfer the funds securely and will enable commerce and trade and will reduce cash dependence and will achieve the financial inclusion. It supports domestic and international transactions. Like we do have different type of payment systems used in India and used to transfer funds to abroad also. And first of all, we'll explore the payment systems used in India. These are like NEFT, RTGS, IMPS, UPI, or debit or credit card payments. As debit or credit card payments are all already explained by Manisha, I'll explain these four: NEFT, RTGS, IMPS, and UPI. And for international payments, I'll use SWIFT transfers, wire transfers, and Forex payments. Yeah. Uh, let's uh, let's know about the NEFT. NEFT is nothing but National Electronic Funds Transfer. Uh, these are used for small transactions. There is no limit of amount to transfer. If we want to transfer 5,000, we can transfer 5,000, and it's available 24/7. And the processing time for NEFT is it will take few minutes to 2 hours, depends on uh, this is the basic issue here. So it will take time to process the transaction. So it will be beneficial if we want to transfer less amount of money. Coming to real-time gross settlement, RTGS, as the name indicates, real-time gross settlement, it will transfer the money instantly. But this is used for high value transactions. It has a minimum limit, and the minimum limit is 2 lakhs. If we want to transfer 2 lakhs or above, we'll use RTGS. And we do have IMPS here. IMPS is nothing but immediate payment service. Immediate payment service is instant money transfer system only. It will transfer using MMID. MMID is nothing but mobile money identifier. MMID is a seven digit code, we can say. Uh, IMPS system will use a 7-digit code and will transfer the money through mobile banking or internet banking. We do have a UPI. UPI is the interface. We all know about the UPI, right? Like we use in everyday basis, Phone Pay, Google Pay, and Paytm. These are UPI applications. UPI supports QR code payments, and UPI doesn't. In the UPI mode of payment, we'll use just a UPI ID. We don't require account details here. Like UPI is also works 24/7, irrespective of holidays. And yeah, debit cards and credit cards, Manisha has already covered. There are card networks will be there. Uh, like Mastercard, Visa, and Rupee are different kind of card networks. And for international payment system, we'll use SWIFT network. SWIFT network is nothing but it's a global messaging network used by banks. If you want to send money from India to USA, suppose imagine we need to send $1,000. We'll just go to the bank and we'll just share our details like beneficiary name, beneficiary account number, and how much amount we need to transfer. So all these details will share to the bank officials. So they'll capture the details and they'll share one encrypted message to a specified bank in the other country. So they'll receive one encrypted message. The message contains the sender details, sender account details, and sender name and sender account number, how much amount to debit. All these information will HDFC Bank will share to the bank in the USA. So they will debit, uh, and they'll they'll convert the forex. Forex is nothing but just converting one country's currencies to another country's currency. Swift network uses specific codes. They are called as BIC codes. The payment process flow is like this, the basic payment transaction flow. First, customer will initiate the payment, and then bank verifies the details, and payment request sent to the payment network, and receiving bank validates the beneficiary account. If the validation is successful, funds are transferred, then the same message will both parties will receive same message, like transaction success, or your account got credited this much amount, or like this. And the security payments, how secure are the payments, like they have encryption system, and they'll authenticate using OTP, and two-factor authentication were there, and fraud monitoring systems are there. We already know that bank officials are monitoring in real time, like high-level transactions are monitored. If transaction limits are like per day we have a transaction limit, right? If we cross any transaction limit, they'll have an eye on that account to secure and reliable, to ensure that the payment system is working securely. And how important the payment system are, like to support the digital economy, and to achieve the financial inclusion, and to reduce the dependency on cash. We almost use payment system in everyday basis, right? And some challenges also there in the payment system, like if we have a poor network, the cross-border settlement takes some time, and a transactions failure will happen sometime, like due to network issues, due to bank server down issues, and fraud and cyber threats also there in these days. We are getting the calls of fraud and cyber threats. Basically, payment systems are a critical part of banking industry. They are used to fast and secure transfer of money, and domestic and international payments, like and growth of digital banking, contactless payments, and digital wallets also there. Yeah, that's it from my end.